is a good day to announce that I give the size 0 mantle officially now to my sister. I give the size 0 mantle officially now to my sister. Karishma officially is the industry size 0. It's from Kareena to Karishma. So I think we should hear a round of applause for her.
कैसा लग रहा है बहन की तरफ से खिताब मिला है साइज 0 का?
साइज 0 इज अ टैग. क्या है कि हम फिट लड़कियां हैं and we work out, we eat right and we endorse a healthy lifestyle. So if our shape becomes a little more like that, that is because we are eating right.
Kareena Kapoor unveiled Rujita's book Women and the Weight Loss Tamasha. Check out what they have to say at this event.
I think today is a good day to announce that I give the size 0 mantle officially now to my sister. I give the size 0 mantle officially now to my sister. Karishma officially is the industry size 0. It's from Kareena to Karishma. So I think we should hear a round of applause for her.
Honestly, people are shocked to know that I'm a very typical KAPOOR. I really enjoyed my food, have very bad eating habits, love eating biryani and chocolate cake all the time. But I think Rujuta has really taught me how to eat right. And it's not important to starve, and you can eat every 2 hours and be full and feel fantastic, and I really thank her for that.
I no more wear that crown. It's completely gone to Lolo. But yes, I mean, Rujita has obviously helped me lose all my weight and maintain right amount of weight that suits me. And like she said, to celebrate my body. And that's all thanks to Rujita. And I've just come back from a 20-day holiday from Switzerland where she's allowed me to eat cheese fondue and raclettes and chocolates and hot chocolate and the works. So it's the perfect time to actually launch this book because she has to give me all her diets now so I can kind of, lose all the fondues. But still, I think Rujita happens to be, I think she's a magician, like I've always said. She's just a magician. And by reading this book, I think a lot of young girls' lives have changed.
Well, healthy eating is something which is universal both for men and women. And this was a question which was even asked last year to Bebo. And I guess at that time she said that now men should wait for a book to get dedicated to them because the next one in line is on exercise. So that's for both genders.
I think he's shooting. He's shooting for an ad film. Well, it's going really great, and Rujuta has also given me a lovely diet to follow in my shooting. With lots to eat and not only measly little stuff. So it's been great, and I'm happy that I'm back on the set.
I was a size 0 during Tashan because the role required that. And also I was eating everything at that time. I think the only thing that I like about Rujita and the difference between her and other dietitians is that Rujita just gives too much food. कुछ ज़्यादा ही खाना मिलता है. मैं भी वही मानती हूँ. I think it's about looking good and just feeling good also. Then automatically the boys will like you.
करिश्मा आपसे कहा कैसा लग रहा है बहन की तरफ से खिताब मिला है साइज 0 का?
साइज 0 इज अ टैग. क्या है कि हम फिट लड़कियां हैं and we work out, we eat right and we endorse a healthy lifestyle. So if our shape becomes a little more like that, that is because we are eating right.
करीना 2012 में जहाँ आपकी फिल्में आ रही है वहीं करिश्मा जी की भी फिल्म आ रही है, तो कितने एक्साइटेड है और करिश्मा आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे.
Well, I think ये काफ़ी स्पेशल रहेगा क्योंकि मैं फिल्म काफ़ी टाइम के बाद कर रही हूँ. तो आई थिंक वी फील वंडरफुल कि दो बहन एक ही प्रोफेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, इतना साथ निभाए साथ में, तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
Bollywood Bollywood Hungama News Network.